boys ain't from around here, are you? Where are you boys trying to head to? Now you boys best keep riding, you hear? This town ain't big enough for the two of us.
Hello?
Oh, hi. I'm Cliff.
I'm Scott.
Scott, good. Glad to meet you.
Likewise.
Come sit down, friend.
Just shave it all off.
Okay. We're going to dig down to
Whatever this is.
that's Scott, how'd you find this barbershop?
Just looking around on the internet. Just had some reviews. Saw some videos too, and it seemed kind of cool.
Oh, how perfect. Thanks for coming in.
Oh, no problem.
So, Scott, how would you like your haircut?
Just a little bit shorter on the sides. I'm not sure exactly. I mean, I trust you.
Good. I'll fix it for you, Scott.
All right.
You know, Scott, you ever hear people, they talk about, as I get older, the hair grows on my ears?
I have.
Yeah. Well, those are soft, fine, laludo hairs. Some people call them, like, peach fuzz or baby hair.
Yeah.
But what happens as people become older, those laludo hairs, like in the ears, they start maturing, and that's where they start growing. But they'd always been there. You were actually born with those soft, fine, downy little hairs. Why some mature and some don't? I think that's sometimes the mystery of science.
I learn something new every day.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought I'd share that with some of the people out there and kind of demonstrate how to I cut hair with the method I'm using, with is shaping, cutting with no lines. See, that's nice hair.
Thanks.
It's almost fun doing this, you know?
I would hope so.
I said in one of my videos, one thing about this job, when you run out of hair, you know it's time to stop. Scott, you're going to be able to see yourself on YouTube, okay?
Yeah, dude.
You'll be able to be immortalized, and your grandkids and kids will be able to see Grandpa there on the video.
Yeah, my legacy.
Yeah. Yeah, so what I'm doing here, I'm kind of taking the sideburns a little bit thinner, a little closer, because we need to have a little bit of a fade going up into the hair so that it gives it a nice finished look, so it's not just all one same length all over. Kind of gives it. There's that one. Got lucky. So we're almost ready for scissors, okay?
Alright.
Because I could use these clippers, but the hair won't be even until I end up using the scissors. Okay, so we're looking pretty good.
Let it go out and you take it wherever you want. We're just watch it through.
See, how much?
20.
A little bit of H2O, huh? Did you ever see like a dog or something that he barks at you and you kind of felt your hair kind of ooze or kind of feel a little tingling on top of your head?
I have.
Well, what that is, it's the erector pili muscle that is actually flinching on your scalp. Because we have 1 to 7 sebaceous glands and 1 erector pili muscle. And that erector pili muscle kind of gives you that sense of feel for your hair.
It's a lot of big words.
Yeah.
Here you go, brother.
Awesome. Thank you very much. We're there. See you. Jack David. Later. All right, brother. You have a good weekend.
Hey, thanks guys for coming in.
All right.
Thanks, David. Bye, guys. Now we got these here waves, they kind of flow into each other, which is really kind of nice. Really beautiful. So what we have to do, we have to balance the hair, so the right's going to fit with the left just perfect. You know, I read some of the reviews, and there's some people that says I shouldn't talk. They just want to hear the sound of my scissors and the clippers.
Yeah, it's like massage. It's soothing.
Yeah. You worked today, did you?
Oh yeah. Working hard.
Yeah. I guess that's the American way today. So you gotta make this nice and even here. And what I do, I hold the comb down. If I didn't, your hair will curl up and I'll never get it to hold down. Really looking pretty perfect. looking good. Okay. Go to this side, and then I'll get your neckline later thereafter. Just to make it nice even. Okay, now we'll get your neckline all fixed up.
All right.
I'll let you, Scott.
Okay.
I'm gonna just fix your hair a little bit.
All right.
And you like to wear your hair dry, or
Yeah. Well,
like to put some product on your hair?
yeah. Sometimes it works pretty well. I mean, what do you think I should do right now?
Well, let's put a real soft coat on. It'll look real nice. You don't need much, just a little bit. It kind of gives it a little bit of that brilliantine look a little bit.
Oh yeah.
But you wouldn't want to put anything too hard because your hair will get a little bit too gummed out looking.
Yeah.
So it's got to be nice and soft. You can use a dryer if you like to kind of put it in place. Like that, Scott?
I do.
Looks pretty sharp, pretty clean looking.
Yeah, good stuff.
All you need now is a mustache. You don't think
I could loan you mine.
Yeah, I'd take it.
Look, wouldn't match very well, but it look interesting. No, that's a great haircut. Wow,
Thank you, Cliff.
fantastic.
It's my pleasure, Scott.
Nothing like a razor cut.
You all brand new.
That's old school, man. That's totally old school.
Yeah.
Love that.
You're okay, Scott. You don't owe me nothing.
Nothing?
No. I
You sure?
appreciate you allowing me to cut your hair to put you on the video.
Okay.
See, you're
So,
officially now a
Thank
model.
you. Thank you, Cliff.
You're
Thank you.
officially a
Thank
model
you.
now.
Yeah, moving up in the world. All right.
Okay.
See you guys later.
Thanks, Scott.